Today is Saturday, July 13th. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille Convertible Steering Wheel. This is a full restoration of the original wheel for my friend Norman in Canada. This has the original replicated wood grain inlay going around the front face perimeter. Absolutely beautiful. With a 32nd of an inch elevation in order to provide more animation and give it a much richer appearance. The steering wheel was in severely bad shape, cracks and gaps and everything, as well as the entire wood grain having been decomposed and entirely missing. And the unit was rebonded in a mold for 30 days under time and temperature and pressure. And after the wheel was unified, it was circular interpolated on a CNC milling machine in order to recut the channel groove, which is the receiving groove for the imitation wood grain inlay around the front face perimeter. The horn pad was entirely revitalized, as was the Cadillac crest decal emblem. This included a full breakdown of the horn pad with all the electricals, as well as the tilt and telescopic actuating bowl cover. So this will be going to my friend Norman in Canada. This was a labor of love for a couple months, and I'll be sending this video and get his okay to ship reply confirmation. And as soon as I do so, this completed fully assembled unit will be shipping out Monday morning. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac, and over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. And I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels and the steering columns and the power seat mechanisms. This is George in Florida. Today is Saturday, July 13th. Thank you very kindly.